Hey, this is the Costal 1221.
I like the double door.
And they all have keypads.
So, you want to give us a tour and I'll film you?
Jude,
What?
come here. You see the double soap?
But that's in our bathroom.
Oh, but
Yeah.
we want to look at these too. This is the one in
Double sinks.
Yeah.
We were thinking this one would be a computer room.
Okay. Nice thick carpet. And then we have the closet.
See, I like that ground molded.
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
Finish it off.
Honey, there's two sinks in here too.
I saw that.
Okay. This is just a closet.
See?
They're identical to the inside.
Just a closet. Okay. Another bedroom with a attic access.
Now, where does this one go to the bathroom? I don't know if I like this. From right there, you got to go in here.
Oh, right there, you gotta go in there?
What difference does that make? It's just like you have at home. Just like you have at your house.
Well, we got a pocket door
Well,
here.
you could easily
Okay.
put something here if you wanted to.
What do we got over here?
That's a half bath.
Half bath? This is the only one with a half bath, I think. So it's 2.5 baths? Looks like, yeah, there's a sink in there, and there's a toilet area.
See what's nice is out here, rather than extend this out a little bit and make the outside screened.
No, you can't put a lanai out there in this climate because you'll lose it in the first snow. I mean, you can't do the screen on the top.
We can.
No, you'll lose it.
Well, we could put metal on it.
Yeah.
Jude? Jeff said you can't put a screen on the top of the floor.
Snow.
Snow would
It'll take it down. It's a nice Frigidaire dishwasher. All right. A nice little nook area. What was in here? Okay. They're a large size. Goes way up. All right, let's look back here. Here is a laundry room with some tile. This is on-demand water heater. All right, hang on. You got a measurement there. Let me record it. What was your measurement? What was your measurement? Say it again.
15 to here.
15 to there?
It's 16. Actually, it has to be
16?
16,
This is actually one of the bigger
This, yeah.
patios.
This would be
yeah.
perfectly
Yeah,
fine
it's 16.
for us.
Huge.
All right, I'll hold it here.
10.
10 feet?
10
16?
by 16. What's that done?
10 by 16.
We got to record it on video too. That's supposed to be the master with a tray ceiling.
Super nice doorway.
Nice double wide. And we've got the water closet.
If either of you ever had to go into a wheelchair, everything is so open.
Yeah.
Dual sinks. Walk-in closet. And big.
I was saying, if either of you had to move to a wheelchair at some point.
That's such a teeny little tub, isn't
Just big enough for you.
it? Yeah. They don't have a.
See, and this will be a wide, this is your neighbor. This is as close as will come to our neighbor.
So you're going to have more room than you have in Florida.
That's right.
Like 3 times the amount.
Look at that, that's all on. Nothing will ever be there.
That's all gonna be grass to mow though.
But you could
That's
put-
not gonna be ours.
You won't be doing
Put
it.
your bed this
Shoot
way,
it.
face that way, and then have woods to look at instead of your neighbor, not the window. Put your bed on that side, and then look out there and put your bed that way.
This is not ours.
Part of
This
it will
is-
be. Part of it will be.
Yeah, right down to the track.
So nobody's building back there?
It's horrible, why pave that, it's so good in this area.
This is what you were asking.
I think those can come in or out. I don't think you have to.
Fireplace. And TV mount. Wonder what this would be used for, this little inset. Or if you didn't want to have your TV on the fireplace. Big, wide open. All right. We're going to shut this off.